Exploring the legacy of the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures, flourished around 2500 BCE. It spanned modern-day Pakistan and northwest India, showcasing advanced societal and technological achievements that continue to intrigue historians and archaeologists. Situated in the fertile plains of the Indus River, this civilization benefited from ample water resources and a favorable climate. The river's annual flooding enriched the soil, supporting agriculture and sustaining a growing population. Discovery of the Indus Valley sites began in the 1920s, revealing a complex and sophisticated civilization. Excavations unearthed well-planned cities, advanced infrastructure, and numerous artifacts, shedding light on their way of life. Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro, the civilization's major cities, featured remarkable urban planning. Streets were laid out in a grid pattern, with structures built from uniform bricks, indicating a high level of civic organization and architectural prowess. Urban planning and architecture in the Indus Valley were highly advanced. Cities boasted well-organized streets, public buildings, and residential areas. The standardized construction techniques reflect a strong central authority and meticulous planning. The Indus Valley Civilization boasted an advanced drainage and sanitation system unparalleled in the ancient world. Intricately constructed networks of covered drains and public baths underscored their meticulous planning, ensuring cleanliness and public health in densely populated urban areas. Social structure and daily life in the Indus Valley were complex and well-organized. Archaeological evidence points to a stratified society with distinct roles, from skilled artisans to traders, all contributing to the civilization's vibrant daily existence and communal harmony. Trade and economic activities flourished, supported by an extensive network connecting distant regions. The Indus people traded commodities like cotton, pottery, and precious stones, establishing their economic strength and fostering cultural exchanges with neighboring civilizations. Agricultural practices were sophisticated, with farmers cultivating crops such as wheat, barley, and cotton. Advanced irrigation techniques and fertile land along the Indus River ensured abundant harvests, sustaining the populace and supporting urban growth and development. Craftsmanship and industrial production were highly developed, evident in the finely crafted pottery, jewelry, and tools discovered at excavation sites. Artisans displayed remarkable skill, contributing to a thriving economy and leaving behind a legacy of artistic excellence. The Indus Valley script remains one of the most intriguing aspects of this ancient civilization. Despite numerous attempts, the writing system has yet to be deciphered, leaving much about their communication and records shrouded in mystery. Religion played a central role in Indus Valley society, though much remains speculative. Artifacts like figurines and seals suggest a rich spiritual life, possibly involving fertility worship and reverence for nature, animals, and mythical beings. The art and artifacts of the Indus Valley reveal a sophisticated and aesthetically advanced culture. Skillfully crafted pottery, jewelry, and sculptures reflect not only artistic talent, but also the intricate social and cultural fabric of the civilization. Seals from the Indus Valley, often intricately carved with animals and humans, served as both practical tools and symbolic icons. These artifacts provide critical insights into the trade, rituals, and possibly the language of the time. Technological innovations in the Indus Valley set them apart from many contemporaries. From advanced metallurgy to standardized weights and measures, their technological prowess enabled complex urban planning, efficient trade, and possibly even early forms of governance. The Indus Valley Civilization thrived contemporaneously with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, showcasing advanced urban planning and architecture. Unlike its counterparts, the civilization remains shrouded in mystery due to its undeciphered script and unknown language. Theories about the civilization's decline range from environmental changes to invasions. Despite various hypotheses, no single explanation has been universally accepted. This enduring mystery continues to captivate historians and archaeologists worldwide. Recent archaeological discoveries have unearthed new artifacts and settlements, shedding light on the civilization's complexity. These findings provide valuable insights, yet also raise new questions, further deepening our fascination with this ancient society. Genetic studies reveal a diverse population with links to modern South Asians. These studies suggest a continuity of cultural and genetic heritage, highlighting the civilization's significant role in shaping the region's demographic history. The Indus River played a crucial role in the civilization's development, providing water for agriculture and enabling trade. Its seasonal flooding created fertile lands, which supported sustained agricultural productivity and urban growth. The Indus River was the lifeline of the Indus Valley Civilization, providing water for agriculture and facilitating transport and trade. Its regular flooding enriched the soil, enabling the cultivation of surplus crops that sustained urban populations. Climate change significantly impacted the Indus Valley Civilization. Shifts in monsoon patterns and prolonged droughts likely led to reduced agricultural productivity. This environmental stress might have contributed to the decline and eventual abandonment of urban centers. The Great Bath in Mohenjo-Daro remains one of the most intriguing structures of the Indus Valley Civilization. This large, well-built water tank suggests the importance of ritualistic bathing and possibly served as a communal or ceremonial center. Maritime trade played a crucial role in the economy of the Indus Valley Civilization. Evidence of trade links with Mesopotamia indicates a thriving exchange of goods, such as textiles, beads, and crafted items, fostering cross-cultural interactions. Granaries and storage facilities were integral to the Indus Valley's urban planning. These structures ensured food security and efficient distribution, reflecting an advanced understanding of resource management and community organization, which supported the civilization's sustainability. Women in the Indus Valley Civilization played significant roles, evidenced by artifacts depicting female figures and daily life activities. Their involvement in household management, craft production, and possibly trade highlights their integral presence in society. The legacy of the Indus Valley Civilization endures through its advanced urban planning, architectural innovations, and societal structures. Modern cities still draw inspiration from their drainage systems and communal living designs, reflecting their lasting influence. Modern interpretations and reconstructions of the Indus Valley Civilization rely on archaeological findings and advanced technologies. These efforts aim to recreate the daily lives, societal organization, and environmental interactions of this ancient culture, offering deeper historical insights. Controversies and debates among historians about the Indus Valley Civilization often center around its script, societal structure, and reasons for decline. These discussions fuel ongoing research and diverse interpretations, keeping the civilization a lively topic of academic inquiry. The enduring mystery of the Indus Valley Civilization captivates scholars and enthusiasts alike. Despite extensive research, unanswered questions about their language, culture, and ultimate fate continue to intrigue, ensuring this ancient society remains a significant historical enigma.